Sequence connectors. English 5, Unit 4. Content 1. How can you tell an anecdote? Telling stories is common in everyday life communication. When you narrate something that happened in the past, it's necessary to make your story clear. So, you need to link your ideas using sequence connectors. We can divide sequence connectors according to their function in the story or anecdote. First, we have introduction and background information. This is the information your audience needs to understand your anecdote. You can introduce your anecdote using one of these phrases. This is a story about, I'm going to tell you about, it was in, and then the year, it was when. Example, this is a story about an unfortunate accident. Beginning the story. Create the beginning of your anecdote or story with these expressions. First of all, to start off with, initially, to begin with, before anything else. Use a comma after the introductory phrase. Example, to start off with, I was going back home when a homeless person came and begged for some money. Continuing the story. You can continue the story with the following expressions: next, later, then, after that, as soon as, when, immediately, unexpectedly, suddenly. Example: then I opened my purse to give him some money. He unexpectedly grabbed my purse and ran away. Ending the story. Introduce the end of your anecdote with one of these phrases. Finally, in the end, eventually, after all, in conclusion. Example: in the end, nobody could stop him. So, this is a way you can end your anecdote or story. Thank you very much.